this video we're going to look at changing the home page and the sidebar in your WordPress site. So we're going to put a page at the front instead of the default setting, which is the blog. So if you have a look, this is the 2017 theme, and as you can see, this is the default. You've got posts on the left, and then you've got a sidebar on the right. And the sidebar's got quite a few different items in it, things like meta, which is site admin and so on, archives and categories. So I'll show you how to change that, and we'll also show you how to change the home page. Now, first of all, we want to go to widgets, and you can see over here we've got the sidebar area. So you can open any of these and put in a title. You can put in the number of posts if you're showing posts, and you can also delete. So we're going to delete archives and meta. Meta because that's not really the sort of information that you want to have on the front of your website or anywhere in your website. And archives, well, we haven't got any archives yet. You can always add this later if you want to. So we're going to just delete that. And we'll also delete categories because we haven't got any posts yet. When we have categories, you can put that back if you like. So that leaves us with recent posts and search. Now, if you want to add any of these or bring them back again, add a different one, bring back one you've had before, you just drag and drop. So this one is a tag cloud, and we'll have a look at that a bit later on when we've got some posts. And you just save or delete, depending on what you want to do. So custom menu is another one that you can put on, and we'll look at that again when we look at menus. And you'll probably find that some of the plugins that you start to use in future will have different items that can be used on the sidebar, so they'll have different widgets. And of course, if you buy a theme, you'll probably find that there are different widgets with that. So we're just going to take a look at the site now. So we go to View Page and scroll down, and you can see that on the right we just have Search and Recent Posts. So we're going to go back to the dashboard, and we're going to create a new page. So go to Pages, Add New, and put in the title. So we're going to call our new page Welcome and put in a bit of text. And I'm going to center the text and make it a bit bigger. And then I'm going to choose another color. So we need to toggle here to see the color. So I'm going to make it blue. And I'm going to highlight it and make it bold. Now, I'm not so keen on that colour because it's the colour that's usually used for links, so I'm going to make it a darker blue, and you can use that by choosing custom colour. And then you just pick a colour here, and there we go, so that's better. And now I'm just going to add a bit of text, so I align left. And obviously you can put whatever you like here, and you can add an image or a video. And now we're going to publish the page. And now we go to Settings and down to Reading. And we're going to change this from the default your latest post to a static page, and then that gives you the option of choosing. So we're going to choose welcome, and you can also choose a post page, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But for now we're just going to save our home page. So make sure you save changes. And now we're going to go and view site again. And you can see that we've got this new page. Now it does look a bit strange because it's got a lot of space on the left, and you'll notice the sidebar has gone. Now different themes will show different options. Some of them will have full width front pages and so on, but for now we're just using one of the default themes. So the way we can change this is by going up to the top here and clicking on Customize, and you can see there are various different things. This is another place that you can upload a logo or change the title and the tagline. So we'll just go back and we look at colours is another option. Got light, dark and custom. So it's on light at the moment, and as you see you can choose a colour for the header. Let's look at the dark colour scheme and save that, and let's see what happens. Okay, so you see you've got a dark background here, so obviously the blue title wouldn't look good on that, but if you wanted to have a dark background with white text, it's not the best, it's probably best to have a white background. That makes it easier for people to read. Okay, so we've changed it back. We're going to look at the static home page here, so you can change your home page here as well. So as you can see, there are quite often 2 or 3 different ways of doing things. Now, theme options, again, this is something that varies very much from theme to theme. But as you can see, we've got 2 columns and we've got 1 column. So let's choose 1 column and then save and publish. And now we're going to look at the site again. So you can see that this is much more attractive. It's pretty much centered. There's still quite a lot of space, but that's the limitations of this particular theme. So you can try out different themes to see what they look like. Okay, so we're going to go back to the dashboard. And we're going to go to Pages. I've hit All Pages this time. You can add a new page from here. And this is all you have to do for your blog. You simply create a page called Blog, publish it with no content, and now we go back to Settings, back to Reading. So this is where we change the front page, and we're going to change the post page to Blog, and then we're going to save it. So if I go up to the top here and I write Blog, because we haven't got a menu to take us to the blog yet, you'll see that this page comes up, and here is the post. So that's all for now, and we'll look at menus in a later video. And if you'd like some free PDFs, go to the link below and you can sign up, and I'll also send you updates when there are more videos available. Thanks for watching.